My name is Mita, but sometimes I'm Mora. Mita plays with makeup and Mora is a hoarder. Hello. Hi. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Mita, and if you are new to my channel, comment down below and say hello. Hi. And I will be sure to reply and show you lots and lots of love, guys. If you like my channel, please hit that subscribe button, girl. And if you like this video, please hit that thumbs up, that like button. It helps me out a lot and lets me know what to create and what kind of content to produce for you guys. And don't forget to hit that notification belly bell to notify you every time I upload, guys. And today we are outside, Miss Thing. It is snowing. And I'm here with Howard, and he's all bundled up because it's cold as shit. And there goes Daniel. Daniel's making snowballs, etc., guys. So today we are going to do a winter snow makeup look in the snow while it's snowing. And yeah, so let's get right into this video. I'm moving you close up. I have minimal makeup, guys. This is all I bring. I did not bring much. I bring a color switch, 2 small palettes, a compact mirror, 2 lipsticks, and I think 4 or 5 brushes. So let's get right into this video, girl. I don't know how this is gonna turn out. My eyes are already primed. So let's do this, guys. I'm scared. So I have my front facing camera, so I'm gonna try to use that, girl. I'm gonna try to use the viewfinder to do my makeup. Okay, let's do this, girl. Oh no, I need a compact mirror. This isn't working. Oh my god, guys. And I'm using the Elsa Glow palette by Elf. It's called Snow and Ice Glow eyeshadow palette, and I thought this was so appropriate, being that I'm in the snow doing this. This is insane. But I thought I never seen this done before. I said, let's do it. So now going in, I'm just gonna go into that crease, girl, and don't judge me for how my makeup comes out, Miss Thing. Oh my god, Howard, what am I doing? Howard, what am I doing? Okay, so, oh wow, this is blending like a dream. That is beautiful. Okay, now we're gonna get some more of that eyeshadow, and my hands are freezing, guys. Oh god. So now I'm going to do the other eye, girl. And I hate using a compact mirror, especially when it's all wet. I can barely see, guys. And I'm sorry, that is a snowplow you are hearing in the background. Oh my god, guys, my fingers are freezing. Oh my god, Becky, look at her butt. This is crazy. But that blue is gorgeous, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. And girl, we still gotta blend in the snow or not, Miss Thing. We blending this eyeshadow. But I gotta say, this eyeshadow is very nice. Blends really pretty too. Look at that. That's very cute. Okay, so now, oh my god, my fingertips, they're freezing. Okay, so next we are going to go, I'm gonna get a packing brush, and we are going to put something on the lid. We have this color here, which is a lighter kind of duochrome color, and I'm gonna pack that on my brush, and we are going to put this on the lid, girl. Okay, let's get this on the lid. Oh my god, this is insane. What am I doing? What am I doing in the snow, girl? Okay, so I'm gonna get more of that. I'm just kind of put that all over the lid. And if my application isn't good, it's because my fingers are numb. Putting your makeup on in the snow challenge. Okay, so we got that lid on, but it's not popping as much as I wanted to, and I don't have any Studio Fix Plus. What to do? There is a white here, so I'm gonna take the white on a flat brush, and then I am going to take a snowball, and I'm going to take some snow on that, and we're gonna intensify this puppy. Okay, let's try this out. Let's try this out, girl. Okay. Ooh, it worked. Okay, make that in a corner pop. And it made that inner corner pop. Nice. Okay. So we're gonna do that again. Taking some white, a snowball, packing some. Daniel's over here making snowballs while I am doing the challenge. Daniel has a snowball maker. Daniel, show them your snowball maker. So I am just packing on this white on the inner corners of my eye. And I use the snow to intensify this eyeshadow. And it works pretty good, I should say. It looks pretty good, guys. So I'm gonna just come up close so you guys can see my eye look. Very winter wonderland-ish, this thing. Now I'm going to take some of that blue and we're gonna go on underneath the eye. And I'm trying to be very precise, Miss Thing, because it's gold and I don't want to fix this. I don't want it to come out like that. Oh my God. Okay. Okay. You got this, Mita. You got this. Girl. I thought this was a really fun thing to do. Come out here and do this, being that spring is here, guys. And I think this is our last snow day. Hopefully it's our last snow day. So, yeah. Okay. All right, we got that. Now I'm going to take a blending brush and I am going to blend this out. And my blending brush is wet, so I don't know how much this is going to work, but I can feel it wet. So yeah. Oh my God, I'm freezing. Now we're gonna put some mascara. Girl, it's cold out here. It's cold as ice. Who remembers that song? You're as cold as ice. You're willing to sacrifice. Oh my God. And the fashion police is about to come arrest me for doing my makeup outside in the snow. Okay, so I am using the Falsies Push-Up Drama by Maybelline. And we are just getting those. And we are getting those spider lashes up to par. And guys, I'm sorry if you hear a lot of noise in the background. We are outside, so I kind of don't have control over that. So I'm coating these lashes with ice y todo falling on my face, Miss Thing. Oh my God. Okay, so we are coating. My legs are numb. I can't feel my butt. And we're coating our lashes, Miss Thing. Put a little bit on the bottom, Miss Thing. Okay. Now let's move on to lipstick. Please, let's move on to lipstick. Oh my God, ice in the eye. Okay, guys. So there we go with the blue lipstick. And the reason I didn't do the middle, ow, ice hitting the face. All the ice is coming this way, right into my face. Okay, so now I am putting Breakfast at Tiffany's by Jeffree Star in the middle to create an ombre blue. Girl, and the first one I used was Blue Velvet. Okay. Now I'm just gonna use my finger. I'm using my finger to create an ombre effect. Okay, so there you go. There is my ombre lip, and I did not have to use the color switch, thank God. And this is the finished look, guys. Winter Wonderland, very patchy, very wonky, Miss Thing, looking all crippled and shit. Miss Thing, this was a challenge, okay? This was a challenge. I came out here with this little buto with some makeup, Miss Thing, to do my makeup in the winter, and it's smacking me in the face and it hurts. Guys, it is snowing like crazy. Guys, thank you for watching my video. Oh, Dada! I look forward to seeing you in my next video.
Hey, you.